In this video, I'll show you how to highlight text in Framer. First, I want you to select the text. As you can see, this layer has been selected. And all you need to do is right-click on that layer, click on Add Stack, okay? And as you can see, a stack will be added, and we'll get more options actually. So under Layout, you'll see padding. Now you can choose between this one or the padding per side. I'll just choose the one that is overall. We'll just make it, let's say 19. Okay, so we have padded this one. As you can see, now what I can do is go ahead and fill this in with color. So we'll go ahead and click on that padding. As you can see, click on that, and you should see the fill option. So here under styles, I can click on add fill, and let's do yellow, right? Let's do yellow, this shade of yellow right here. Okay, so I'll select this, and we have basically highlighted it, as you can see. And if you would like, you can also go ahead and change the color of the text as well. Okay, you can come here and just change the color. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.